Hey everyone, this is the TCT Asia 2026. Look around here, there's a lot of big fish. If you are in this business line, I think you'd better stay with me. Don't miss it. It's so precious. Let's check the booth one by one, back to back. 3D printing, additive manufacturing. It's very trendy. Wow, King's 3D printing. The name is pretty special. King's BLT. Wow. It's really dope. It's dope here. It's my first time to visit this fair. AWE. What about this one? Wow, the logo. I can't find the logo. That one's a green one. It's held in Shenzhen too. It's going to be in Pudong in 2027. It's not going to be here next year. CISRI. I just walk along this main aisle. BLT, I told you already. Laser machinery. Laser machinery. CISRI. Wow, everyone is huge, massive. Which means they have the big market share. They have a good business. That is why they have the best promotion and best presence here. Zooming Tech. Z-Rabbit Tech. Innovator of China 3D printing technologies. Oh, this is outstanding, very noteworthy. Wow. HED. So this fair is pretty professional. If you wanted to visit it, you have to pay 50 Chinese yuan fee, admission fee. Guys, I've tried my best to present the best part of this video, best part of this show. I hope this video can be supported by you. Not financially. Just add a comment, give me a like, and then more people can find it. ZTT. KOCEL. The logo is black. Siemens from Germany. What about this one? Where's the logo? Yeah. Sometimes the company does not make the logo to be eye-catching. That is a fiasco, I think. For me, when I look at a booth, the first thing is the logo. VOXEL. Dance. Voxel Dance. Wow, the name is very nice. TIPRO. T-Pro. Written, RITON. What about that one? It's an international one. GRANKOM. Julie, Giuli. Let's go to that section. Make a makea, make a 酒棚. Wow, means having some friends. Siemens. IMT. ZTT, I told you already. ASAM from Beijing. TSC. CNPC. Powder. That one's big. Sinner. There's a lot of people in this hall. So busy. Yeah, I even can't walk freely. It's very busy. It's too busy. BMF SUN. Yeah, there's some exhibits. That one is from Xiamen. Logic. 3D printing materials. It's incredibly busy. 3D is a trendy industry. It's pretty nice. Additive, TAP, tap additive. That one's MOVA. Seems there's a lot of national ones, the domestic ones. This is the Hall 8. I'm going to cover this hall completely. Rees 3D. That one is pretty big, this one. It's a big booth. It's outstanding, it's great, incredibly great. That is an aeroplane. Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. And it's really awesome. It's my first time to visit this fair. Mark Fodget. Yeah. Oh, there's some big ones I have. So I just try my best to cover everyone. And if you're in this business line, I think it's a piece of jam for you. It's really a jam for you. You're busy, you're at office. Okay, I'll see you later, everyone. Bye-bye.